Hello, it is Monday. It is the 11th of June, 2012. The price gap higher was fairly significant as the Friday close was in at 28.49. Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, there was immediate, around 40-cent gap higher, starting off about 28.87. So if I didn't have the pet peeve of prices opening being in a different location than where the previous closes, then today's candle would not look as it does. Rather, it would have a gap open somewhere up here and then a long red candle to the downside thus far. But regardless of the situation as we see it now, the pattern was that of an ascending triangle that was once in play. The breakout occurred at the end of last week, and quite frankly, it has not done the greatest so far in holding up, but it hasn't broken down as of yet. For when you try to reverse a downtrend, and obviously a downtrend is this moving average declining, and then you flatten it out, that's the next little step, flatten it, and then you finally break above it and try to reverse the trend. It's all right after the first move to come back within the band and find support, but this is at a big level now for if it fails to do so, it pretty much breaks below this 18-period average of lows, which is 27.95, so a clear break below 28, we'll say, then that's really going to be giving evidence, and strong evidence at that, that this breakout is that failed move. And oftentimes, when you have a failed breakout, you have big moves to the downside, just as if you have a failed breakdown, you have big moves to the upside. Let's switch this off to the 5-hour time frame now. And we got the Fibonacci from this low and this high. And right now, as we see this, you had a retracement, again, a little further than you would have liked, because quite frankly, this resistance area would have been the ideal spot for there to be support, and that wasn't the case. And now it's obviously made this lower high. So therefore, again, we can see that just breaking below 28 is going to really state that this last rally that occurred would be that of a failed one. And when we go back to the daily chart, that means if we are in this area here, that does look likely as if you could have a series of red candles, maybe one or two decent sized red ones, and then of course that potential move that breaks the ascending triangle, or the long-term chart, of course, of breaking 26, which is when you went up from 18 to 50, and then we've had this this 26 support level. I don't got the chart on me now, but of course I can get a archive copy of it. And let's see if I can find an archive copy of the week. This is an old monthly chart. So therefore, yeah, if it breaks down below this support level, that's when we would be looking for a test down to the previous support level. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.